Hey everyone, welcome to the official tutorial series on AbleSet. I'm Karan from Enable. We're into building playback systems and educating people on how to use them effectively and creatively, which is why we're especially happy to be collaborating with AbleSet on this video series. Throughout this series, I'd like to show you everything AbleSet can do and how it can simplify running playback in Ableton Live, from basic setups to advanced workflows that can really improve your live shows. But first, let's talk about the basics. What is AbleSet? At its core, AbleSet is a setlist management tool for Ableton Live. It's designed to simplify and optimize playback for live concerts, theater productions, and other performance setups. Here's what that means in practice. The most common way to run playback in Ableton Live is to lay out your backing tracks in the timeline and use locators to mark the start of each song. Traditionally, people would then use Live's mapping feature to assign each locator to a specific key on their keyboard or a button on a MIDI controller. During a show, musical directors and playback operators navigate the setlist by pressing those keys to jump to the corresponding songs in Ableton. Now, while this approach works, it can get confusing quickly, especially with larger setlists. Here's how AbleSet can help. It will actually recognize all the songs in your live set and compile them into an easy-to-navigate, customizable setlist. You can then reorder songs freely, regardless of their position in the timeline, since AbleSet automatically jumps to the locator of whichever song you select. It also takes care of transitions, automatically stopping playback at the end of a song and queuing up the next one in your setlist, ready for you to press play. With AbleSet, setlist navigation becomes simple and intuitive. You just pre-program your setlist once and then trigger each song with a single button instead of juggling dozens of shortcuts. There are a few other tools that offer similar functionality, but AbleSet goes much further, adding a range of live show-oriented features that go way beyond basic setlist management. And with the release of AbleSet 3.0, these capabilities have grown even more powerful. In the following videos, we'll take a closer look at what these features are and how to make the most of them. You'll be learning how to create and manage different setlists that let you quickly navigate not just between your different songs, but also to specific sections within those songs for more flexibility in your live show. We'll explore dynamic playback control through looping, pausing, and jumping, along with dynamic guide tracks so your session feels like an instrument playing with you, not against you. I'll show you all the different ways to control AbleSet, from remote control on your phone or tablet to extensive MIDI control and integrations with third-party devices and software. You'll learn how to set up a robust, redundant playback system by networking multiple AbleSet instances that also tie in with all commonly used redundant audio interfaces. And finally, we'll also talk about customizing AbleSet to make it the exact tool you want it to be, from control surfaces that are fitted to your individual needs all the way up to completely custom functionalities that can supercharge your setup. In the next video, I'll show you how to install AbleSet and get it connected to Ableton Live, so we can start managing our setlist. If you're already familiar with the basics and just want to dive into specific functions, feel free to skip ahead using the playlists we've prepared. Head over to ableset.com to get your copy of AbleSet and check out Enable for more tips on playback and Ableton Live. And if you're finding these videos helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.